Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on how I'm going to go about using a very high concentrate of vinegar to kill weeds and grass within our garden. So basically my goal is to apply this to the aisles of the garden, let these die out, and then I plan to put a lot of heavy mulch and things within the aisles then. So here's what I bought online, made in USA. Here's the brand. And this is a very, very high concentrate, 45% vinegar. I believe the average vinegar percentage that you probably have in your home that you might use to cook with and perhaps use as cleaner in your home is like 5%. And it's all based upon the acetic acid content. So if you turn this around here, as you can see, this stuff is really powerful. So this 1 gallon here dilutes to 9 gallons of standard 5%, as I had mentioned earlier. Now, obviously, for what I'm trying to do outside, I want to keep a very high percentage of this concentration when I spray. Basically, I'm going to be using a 2-gallon sprayer. So given that this is 45%, I'm still going to have a pretty high concentration of this acid. I am going to basically turn this into 2 gallons because I want to keep that really high level of acetic acid because, you know, again, I'm trying to kill these dandelions and this grass. As far as the safety goes, you know, maybe I'm being a little overkill, but I do not care. This is my first time using something like this. So I have me a nice little face mask here because I don't want to inhale anything. I would also say to you, do not do this on a really windy day, okay? Luckily, even though we get a lot of wind out here, today is actually a pretty calm day as far as the wind, so I feel comfortable doing it today. I also heard that it works best if it's kind of a nicer, sunnier day with a little bit of heat, just to try to get this stuff to kind of, you know, bake into the weeds and grass. I'm also just going to wear a nice long sleeve flannel here. You know, just to protect my forearms and stuff, even though it's kind of hot outside. I don't want to expose any skin. And then here, I'm using some goggles here, some type of safety goggles. These aren't actual goggles, but these will do the trick and maintain my safety. You know, I'm not going to do anything stupid here. So I don't have any rubber gloves, but I have latex gloves underneath these as well. And again, I'm just going to use my head, right? I'm also putting it in this standard, roughly 2-gallon Scott sprayer here, pull trigger. And, you know, I don't know if this thing is grade to actually hold this high level of acetic acid, but as soon as I'm done using it, I'm going to thoroughly wash this out, okay? Obviously, the container that it came in is obviously designed to hold this product, so I'm not really worried about that. Also, this doesn't expire for a while, so best by May 1st, 2025. So yeah, this thing's good for a couple years. So okay, I just wanted to go over a little bit of safety there, wanted to talk about the product, and now I'm actually going to go outside and I'm going to use this. Okay, everybody, I'm feeling pretty safe. Got everything on I need. I'm just here next to the house right now. I just filled up all the solution with water. I did it over here just to make sure that, you know, there wasn't a little thing, a gust of wind or something that, you know, came by. And boy, I mean, you can really smell how heavily concentrated this stuff is. So again, safety is always first. So let's go ahead and walk out towards the garden and get some spraying done. I'm gonna set this up somewhere where you can all see me spraying a little bit, okay? Hopefully this works out for us. As you can see, there's the solution right there. We picked up a little bit of a breeze out here. It's nothing major. I'm not really worried about it. But again, if I notice that, you know, I'm seeing any type of mist kind of carrying, I might stop. Alright folks, so the vinegar solution did pretty good. I actually started scraping out some of the dead weeds and stuff from the aisleways. I should have got them on video before I did that, but yeah, it cleared a lot of this out really well. I've scraped some of the dead stuff away. Let me go over here where I haven't started removing some of the dead stuff yet, but you can see our aisleways around the garden beds. The vinegar spray did really well. Really well. Over here. High concentrated vinegar. Really cleared these out pretty good. Again, I've already kind of cleared out some of the dead ones in the aisleways here, but you can still see some of the remnants. Yeah, this is good stuff. So I think the next step is I'm gonna go ahead and finish clearing out some of the dead vegetation, and then we'll start putting our mulch down. I'm still waiting on the order to get here. I'll do a video of that as well. Okay guys, so the next step, I think I'm gonna go ahead and finish clearing out some of this dead vegetation, and then I'm gonna do a follow-up video of where we're actually mulching all these aisleways and pathways and everything here in the garden. I'm still waiting on that mulch order to come. I think I ordered around 10 cubic yards. So we'll also do a video of that as well when we start to lay down the mulch in the garden, which will help to prevent weeds and stuff from coming back, and then also kind of moisturize the soil as well. So this is your first time visiting Escape from City Life, think about subscribing today. Give us a like if you liked the video. Please feel free to leave any comments for us as well. We always try to get back to you all on that sort of thing. And feel free to share our channel with your family and friends. Until next week, I will talk to you soon.